Maulan man, no worries na amoy kulob ang damit.
Charm Babcon, bangong pumakabloom, tanggal amoy kulob sa bango ng Charm.
Charm Babcon with Bloom Fresh technology kills 99.9% of kulob-causing bacteria tested. May aroma burst pa of thousands of flowers and berries.
Ang sampay sa loob, no amoy kulob.
Bangong pumakabloom sa Charm.
Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS, ayos lang, basta kasama. Konting Tanduay Light, buo ang kalooban.
Tanduay Light, gaan ang tama, gaan ang may kasama. Drink responsibly. Araw-araw man ang laban, buo ang kalooban. Basta't kasama ang Tanduay Light. Drink responsibly.
Mama, daming time sa lahat ng gusto nyo. Mama, daming time, Champion Detergent ang gamit ko.
Sa Champion Quick Wash Technology, less time sa lamada, more time sa pamilya.
Gusto nyo ng chance manalo ng 1 million pesos? Cash, motorcycle, o Ginebra jersey? Since nanalo ko muna! Runs from March 15 to July 31, 2025 per DOH FDA CFRR permit number 0017 series of 2025. Drink responsibly.
Ginebra, San Miguel, Gin is in. Gin to win. Gin's Tanalo sa One Ginebra Nation. Promo runs from March 15 to July 31, 2025. Per DOH FDA CFRR permit number 0017 series of 2025. Drink responsibly.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine, believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Muling nagbabalik ang palatuntunang Isyung Pambayan.